It's August 14. Last night it rained about 2-3 hours. Thunderstorm, lightning, and then there was a loud explosion. The fuse there is blown. That's our transformer. So I gotta get it. Let's go to ISELCO to change the fuse. So ISELCO is here to replace the fuse. They're gonna. I think the first thing to do is check the fuse. So I'm gonna buy extra fuse links. I don't know how much they are, but yes. Oh, and yet intermittent thing around. One. So because of the lightning strike, it actually hit the transformer. So it's burnt the fuse and things. So the fuse has explosives. So the explosive pushed the fuse link or fuse holder out. Hopefully the transformer is still fine, otherwise I'll have to rebuild the fuse again. This would be second time. I'm hoping it's fine. So put a new fuse. I'm hoping the transformer is fine. Oops. Oh, good. Mayat pa lang di transformer. Wan, mayat. Nagdagandar. So garod. Ti danag ko garod.
Lightning arrestor, sir.
Oh, sige, manot
Kasi protection tati transformer mo. Kasi in case nga dati mangyari nga nagpix ang kidlat, handa nga tamaan ni transformer, umuuna tamaan na muna ni lightning arrestor.
Pangikabilan tayo di arrestor.
Diyan cut out, sir, diyan. Intingi nga to.
Oh, sige.
Pare, pero ko pare. Naka-splice DJ source na. May schedule tati ko, sir, datoy.
Oh, sige.
Schedule no once nga dati maangay nga power interruption mi malipod maligni yun. So di sabay na ngay kabil sir tagamit naka-splice nga rin yung wire lang ang magkat din sir. Naka-splice suna.
Oh, sige.
Ano ko sir? Ano dati protection na di ko sir? Ada protection na di ko sir.
Okay. So
Damang yung may tanong ka sir ti lighting arrestor no once nga jati problema ay branoton may like itawag kan pala tanong sir.
Oh, sige rod. Di telepono maham.
Sir, dajak charge kami tatay sir. Maka-reply tatay.
Oh, so wala ko nakit
Pero napay nga one load ko tatay sir.
Oh, okay, I understand.